This is Ted. Ted is the head of Fly-Right County EMC. Fly-Right supplies power and gas services to residents all over the county. Ted has a team of people that work in the field to keep the power on and gas flowing. His teams wear FR uniforms when they're on the job. Ted works hard to make sure that all of his people have the best in FR protection. Ted's teams worked varying shifts and odd hours, some longer than others. Their FR navy blue uniforms were being washed at different times and different frequencies. Soon, some of the FR uniforms started to look worn and faded. While some looked better, teams started to look less and less like teams. Ted thought, they don't even look like they work for the same company. Ted needed a better FR solution. Ted found Tecasafe Plus by TenCate Protective Fabrics online and made a call to his uniform supplier. The new uniforms arrived, and Ted's team had the best in FR protection, comfort, and even after repeated washes, the uniforms looked clean and like new. Ted thought, wow, this is all right. We look like one big happy team. We're all safe, and we look great in these new Tecasafe Plus FR uniforms too. Ted's an all right kind of guy.